Hi everyone, this is the 41st video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice little problem from the concept of absolute value function or modulus function. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says that for any real number k, there is an equation. The equation is modulus of x minus 4 times k is equal to 3. On a number line, how far apart are the two solutions for x? That means we have been given an equation, we have to find the two solutions of this equation, and we have to find out how far apart they are on a real number line. Now how are we going to solve this problem? Well, from the property of modulus function, we know that if modulus of x is equal to a, then the two solutions are like this. The two solutions are x is equal to plus or minus a. So if we use the same property of modulus function or absolute value function here, then what we have? We have modulus of x minus 4 times k is equal to 3. So from here we can say, well, then x minus 4 times k will be equal to plus or minus 3. And from here we are going to get two equations in x. So we have x minus 4 times k is equal to positive 3, that is one of them, and the other one is x minus 4 times k is equal to negative 3. And if we solve both of them, we are going to get x is equal to 3 plus 4 times k, and on the other one we are going to get x is equal to negative 3 plus 4 times k. And can we write it like this? Well, we can say, well, if we rewrite, then x is actually equal to 4 times k plus 3, and here for the other one x is equal to 4 times k minus 3, and if we call them x sub 1 and x sub 2 for the two solutions, then we can see that the two solutions are 4 times k plus 3 and 4 times k minus 3. So which one is the larger one in this case? Well, in this case the larger one is obviously x sub 1 and the smaller one is x sub 2, because the larger one has a positive 3, the smaller one has a negative 3. So to find the distance between 2 points on a real number line, what do we have to do? Well, we simply have to subtract them. So if we subtract them like this, if we say, well, then x sub 1 minus x sub 2, that's what going to give us the distance between the 2 points. That means how far apart they are on the real number line, that's what will be the distance between them. So then x sub 1 minus x sub 2 will be 4 times k. I'm simply substituting the values of x sub 1 and x sub 2. So 4 times k plus 3, that is for x sub 1, and then minus 4 times k minus 3, that is for x sub 2, and from here as you can see it would be 4 times k plus 3 minus 4 times k plus 3, because minus and minus will become plus, and then 4 times k positive and negative 4 times k, they will cancel each other. So we are going to be left with 3 plus 3, that is 6, and that is our answer. And if you look at our answer options, we have 6 under option C. So option C is the correct answer. In this example, it was very easy to recognize which one was the larger solution, meaning between x sub 1 and x sub 2, we could easily recognize that x sub 1 was the larger one and x sub 2 was the smaller one. So we directly subtracted x sub 2 from x sub 1. But if you come across a situation where you are not able to determine which one is the larger one, you can always subtract one from the other one and see if you are getting a positive result. If you are getting a positive result, then you know that you are actually subtracting the smaller one from the larger one. Now if you get a negative result, then you know that you are subtracting the larger one from the smaller one, and in that case you can always take the absolute value of the difference between those 2 points, and that will give you the distance, meaning how far apart they are on the real number line. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.